Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 English Grammar, okay? Today we are going to continue our lesson number 20, Conjunctions. In our previous videos, we learned about conjunction and, conjunction but, okay? So today we are going to start with conjunction or. Let's see. On page number 65, okay? Keep in mind, we use or to suggest option between two choices. So students, or is a conjunction that connects two or more possibilities, two or more choices, two or more alternatives. It connects word and phrases which are the same grammatical type. Now let's see the example. Is this pencil yours? Is this pencil Sonia's? So you can see here students, you have a choice, that is, does the pencil belongs to Sonia or is it yours? So how will we join this sentence using conjunction or? Let's see. Is this pencil yours or Sonia's? Okay. So this is the way you will join sentence with the conjunction or. Okay. Now exercise C. Use or to join the following sentences. First one. Is this bag yours? Is this bag Ekta's? So here you have choice, that is, does the bags belongs to Ekta's or is it yours? So how we will write it? Let's see. We can write that, is this bag yours or Ekta's? Question mark. Okay. So what will come? Is this bag yours or Ekta's? Question mark. Now second one. Would you like a parrot for a pet? Would you like a cat for a pet? So here you have two choice between parrot and cat. So would you like a parrot or a cat for a pet? Okay. So what will come? Would you like a parrot or a cat for a pet? Question mark. Okay. Now the third one. Did you meet Alka in Mumbai? Did you meet Alka in Bengaluru? So how will write? What will come? Did you meet Alka in Mumbai or Bengaluru? Okay. Did you meet Alka in Mumbai or Bengaluru? Question mark. Okay. Now fourth one. Is Jaslin's birthday in January? Is Jaslin's birthday in February? So here we have two possibilities. That is the Jaslin's birthday in January or February? So how we will write it? Is Jaslin's birthday in January or February? Question mark. Okay. Now the fifth one. Would you like to have mango milkshake and would you like to have juice? So here you have choice between mango milkshake and juice. So how we will write it? Would you like to have mango milkshake or juice? Question mark. Okay, so this is the way you will join sentences with the conjunction or. Okay. Now the next. Keep in mind. So now we are going to learn about conjunction because. We use because to give a reason for saying or doing something. So whenever you are giving reason for something, you use the conjunction because. Okay. Now let's see the example. I wore my sweater. It was very cold. So you can see here students. Now here the reason for wearing sweater is that because it was very cold. So how will write? I wore my sweater because it was very cold. Okay. We are using because to giving reason. Okay. Now let's see the exercise. Exercise D. Use because to join the following sentences. Azhar has gone to rest. He is very tired. So what will come? Azhar has gone to rest because he is very tired. Okay. Now second one. Salini bought a packet of juice. She was very thirsty. Okay. So what will come? Shalini bought a packet of juice because she was very thirsty. Now third one. The children can play outside. It has stopped raining. So the answer is the children can play outside because it has stopped raining. Now fourth one. Parijat got very good marks. She studied hard. So what will come? Parijat got very good marks because she studied hard. Fifth one. Stephen ate an orange. He was hungry. So Stephen ate an orange because he was hungry. Okay students. So you have to write exercise C and D in your homework. Okay. Now rest of the exercise we will complete in our next video. Okay. Thank you.